durability on harsh concrete courts. The ST Flare features an outsole made of XDR rubber and a herringbone traction pattern with deep grooves for added thickness and extended wear. The midsole combines Cushlon 3.0 foam with a responsive air zoom unit, offering both comfort and performance. On top, an engineered mesh upper with Flywire cables balances breathability with lockdown support. While China-exclusive Nike releases are relatively rare, the 2022 Court Dragon by Tinker Hatfield set a precedent. However, unlike the retro-inspired Court Dragon, the ST Flare embraces a fully modern aesthetic, resembling other low-top models like the Nike Own. This forward-looking design signals Nike's continued commitment to catering specifically to the evolving style and performance needs of Chinese basketball players. The Nike ST Flare is expected to launch on June 1, although pricing details have yet to be confirmed.